Hello friends, welcome back again. Today in this video we'll learn how to solve this type of algebraic problem. In these expressions they have given x plus y that is equal to 1 and x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 that is equal to 881. Then we'll have to find the value of x times y. So here in the questions they have given x plus y value. X power 4 and y power 4 means we'll have to raise the power 1 to 4. For that we'll square first and again the square value will square, then we'll get power up to 4. So friend, for this we'll first write this equation here. Here x plus y that is equal to 1. Now we'll square both sides, the square left hand side and square right hand side. So the value of x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2 times xy that is equal to, here 1 square is 1. So now we'll write x square and y square value in the left hand side and rest value in the right hand side. So our equation will be x square plus y square that is equal to 1 here, and this value will be go in the right hand side. This will be negative 2xy. So friend, we'll square again. We'll square this equation and it will be x square plus y square and whole square, and in the right hand side 1 minus 2xy, and we'll square it again. Now it is again in the form of a plus b whole square. So we'll write x square square means x square and whole square plus y square and whole square plus 2 times x square and y square that is equal to, now in the right hand side it is a minus b whole square. So we'll write 1 square plus 2xy and its whole square, and now minus 2 times 1 and times 2xy. Now we'll simplify it. Here it is x square and whole square, x raised to the power of 4 plus y square and square is y power 4 plus 2x square y square equal to 1 square is 1 plus 2xy will be 4x square y square minus 2 to the 4xy. Now if we look at here, it is the value of x raised to the power 4, y raised to the power 4 is 881. So we have here x raised to the power 4 and y raised to the power 4. So the value of this term will be 881. So we'll write it here. The value of this term is 881. So 881 plus 2 times x square y square that is equal to, it is 1 plus 4 times x square y square minus 4xy. Now in the next step we'll take all the values in the left hand side. So our equation will be, we'll write this first. So it is 2x square y square, and after that this value 4 times x square y square that will be in negative 4x square and y square. Now negative 4xy right hand side it will be positive 4xy. Here 881, so 881. After that we'll take this one in the left hand side, so it will be negative 1 and that is equal to 0. Now we'll simplify here. 2x square y square and negative 4x square y square will be negative 2 x square y square, and here it is 4 times xy plus 4xy, and here 881 and minus 1 will be plus 880, that's equal to 0. Now from this equation, this is the quadratic equation form. Now from here we will take negative 2 common. So it will be, if we will take negative 2 common, the remaining here is x square and y square. And now from here we have taken negative 2 common. So it will be negative 2xy. 880 divided by 2 will be 440, bracket close, and that is equal to 0. Now for further solution, we will divide both sides by negative 2. Then our left hand equation will be x square y square minus 2xy minus 440, that is equal to 0. So friend, if you look at these equations carefully, it is a quadratic equations. Now for solving of quadratic equation, we will factorize it, and the term we have 400 and 440, and we will factorize it. It is 22 and 20. The multiplication of 22 and 20 will be 440. So we'll write negative 2xy as negative 22xy positive 20xy. So here it is x square y square, and we'll write negative 440, that is equal to 0. Now from this equation we'll write it here. Now from here we can take xy common from these two. So xy will take common. The remaining here is xy. So xy, and here it is negative 22, negative 22. And from these two terms we can take 20 common. So we will take 20 common. The remaining here is xy, and here it is negative 22, that is equal to 0. Now for further solution we'll erase this. So now from here again we can take xy minus 22 common. So we'll take xy minus 22 common, and the another factor will be xy plus here xy plus 20. So it is xy plus 20, that is equal to 0. Now here the multiplication of two factors is 0. So we'll write either xy minus 22 is equal to 0 or xy plus 20, that is equal to 0. Now from here xy value will be positive 22, and here xy value will be negative 20. So friend, here we have calculated the value of xy, that is 22 and negative 20. So in place of xy we'll write negative 20 and 22. These are two answers of these expressions. So anyone have any questions regarding this video, please write your questions in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video.